Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, exchange on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which will be located at the bottom of the phone. For that, you do need to take off the case if you have one on, and you can see it right over here. So push the pen in, and you will see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pry it out. On the tray, you'll have space for two different SIM cards, so one on either side. Now don't worry, you don't need to occupy both of them, you can just use one of the trays, and it really doesn't matter which one. You can either use the top or the bottom, whichever one is more convenient for you. And then insert it, whoops, let's try that again. And then you can insert the tray back into the device. Once you do so, the card that you inserted should start working right away. And as you can see, it's already telling me to enter SIM card pin. So I'm gonna do that to unlock my SIM card, and that's it. The card is now unlocked and good to go. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.